Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nathanie if you're new to my channel, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel and then also put on your post notifications so that you will be notified when I post. So click the little bell. And so this is the look we did today. I actually really like it. In the beginning I didn't know what I was doing, which is absolutely fine because I was like, the weather is so trash outside, so let me play inside with makeup. So I gave you bronzy goddess looks, you know, looks. So if you would like to see how I achieve this look, please carry on watching. So we got a person that is literally squatting and they're not paying any rent, so we just want to give a shout out to the pimple right here. We see you, girl, doing your thing. Hope you're gonna leave soon, so it's fine. So right now I don't know what I'm really gonna do. Shout out to Series for sponsoring. I'm kidding, they're not sponsoring. all of this makeup look will be sponsored by my wallet, so that's really nice. And today the weather is very outside, so I decided I'm going to film a video because I just felt like I want to put makeup on. So I was like, why don't I film it while doing it? So I'm probably going to, I don't know what kind of makeup look I'm gonna have as of yet, so just carry on watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so you can just subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified when I upload, like, yeah. So yeah, so I'm going to start off with my KIKI Beauty Makeup Ready Face Primer. So I'm just gonna prime my face. I don't know where my other one is, my Smashbox one. So we're just going to, and I just put on a mask, so I'm just going to massage that onto my face. So I'm gonna go in with my black Opal Skin Perfecting Stick Foundation in the shade Nutmeg and just apply that all over my face. Then I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Warm Sand. I'm using a new translucent powder, which is the Yardley Absolute Translucent. Just gonna use this shade to just set the concealer that I just applied. not use, create a transition, which I'll be using these two colors. This one's like hitting pan, which makes me so sad. So I'm just going to be using these two just to create the transition. The Maybelline The Rocket Volume Express. This just makes my lashes look amazing. Now I'm just brushing away. Yeah, brushing away the excess powder that I put underneath so it doesn't go everywhere. Okay. And then now I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl bronzer. I wish, please, shout out to LA Girl. Please could I have this bronzer by itself? Because literally, every time I run out of this bronzer, I have to go get the whole palette, and I don't use any of the other shades. I've never used, I don't understand. People use blush for why? I just, like, since the beginning I haven't used blush, and I just don't see the reason why. Like, I don't need to use blush unless I use like a bomb ass blush and you guys put me on. Other than that, I'm not gonna use blush, so that's why I just use bronzer. So I'm gonna use bronzer, not with this brush, with this brush. I'm gonna use this bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze up my face. Oh shit, we got another friend right here. What the hell? And I literally, whatever. I'm fine. Just keep telling yourself that you'll be fine. Okay. Bronzer. Highlight. I bronzed it, highlighted. Yeah. So we're gonna go in with the LA Girl Strobe Light Strobing Powder. If you have any highlights that you like, please put it down below. I think I want to go get another highlight, but maybe I'm just gonna go get the Wet n Wild one. So if you have any suggestions, please put it down below. But this one has been doing me right, you know. To put a twig on my lips, which which I always do anyways. So maybe I should put my brown color on. Okay, I'm gonna put on Mochalicious by Wet n Wild on my lips. This is the finished look. So funny enough, in the beginning I didn't know what I was doing, but right now I be looking about. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. And I have nothing else to say, but I will see you next time.